up everyone? This is Benji and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Didn't even get to cross.
Alright, good afternoon to each and everyone. And I hope you guys doing good right now. It's been a long time, so I really miss you guys. Alright, for those who are new here, my name is Benjoy from Iligan City, and welcome to my channel. And please support my YouTube channel spelled with BENCH space CHOI, and click the subscribe button and also the notification bells for the future videos. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much. And right now, we will be doing a mukbang Jollibee. Kakain po tayo ng maraming favorite foods sa Jollibee. I've craving this for 2 weeks right now, and this is a good thing that, you know, we're gonna eat all of my favorites Jollibee. Alright, so galing pa akong workout, tapos parang ang sarap na kumain, parang gutom na ako. And I'm very glad that I have a friend who is very kind. He is very generous. Sabi niya, Benz, why don't you do some mukbang like Jollibee? Sabi ko sa kanya, well, I can do that, but kulang ako sa ganyan eh. Kaya parang hindi ako makapursue. So, the good thing is, nagbigay po siya ng biyaya sa akin para gumawa nito together with the Madam Boy. So, actually, he is a former Jollibee manager at Aguinaldo. So, to Mr. Dennis Michael Hona, right, salamat kayo sa binigay mong biyaya sa amin ngayon for pursuing this mukbang Jollibee. Alright, thank you so much, and I hope you guys doing good right now. Alright, and let's do the thing, mukbang Jollibee. Alright, so let's go! Alright, so as of now, nagkaroon sa account.
A few moments later, 2 hours later.
Good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. And of course, we are here at the Bood Jollibee to witness and eat the Jollibee Fest. So this is all my favorites. So first thing first, I need to introduce to you one by one. First, top one of my favorites, the noodles one, is the Palabok Saucy. So we get the shrimp, the egg, the lemon, the cucumbers, this, and the palabok noodles. So this is palabok. We have here burger steak 5 pieces. Siyempre, burger. rice. We do have 6 pieces of peach mango pie. So let's try to open this one. There we go, so crispy. And also we have here fries. And the burger yum. That's only a regular one. Alright? What we also have here is the Filipino all-time favorite, which is chicken bucket. It's only 8 pieces of chicken bucket, 4 pieces for regular flavor, and 4 pieces for the spicy one. So, you know, this one. Right. And also we have a dessert. Yung sundae namin medyo wala na, nalunaw na. So 5 pieces as well. We do have gravy for each chicken. And also for the twirl, which is only 15 pesos. So I think this is all I have here. Ito lang muna ang makakain ko. This is actually one of my favorite Jollibee favorite menu. So, do you think guys na I can eat all of this food? Nagkakamali kayo. Because, Badang Boys, pasok! Yeah, give a hand please.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Let's start. Ace. We do have Messi. We do have EJ and Bidol. Right, let's eat. What menu?
Yes. The best. Kawas na to guys.
Siyempre, natin balon.
Puno. Sige magkulit. At hindi mawawala sa mga Pinoy ang
Only rice.
only rice. Kailangan kung may only rice dito. And only Jollibee dito ba ito? I mean, ipong ito nila. So, may rice ko pa rin. Yun, no?
Bata to, bebe. Huh? There you go. I'll give you. Yum.
Look at the chicken breast, all spicy. Next up. Mantap.
Lord! Wala ito makatulad ng baby.
Oh, damn.
Dili ang baby. Alawas baby.
Next palabok. Kailangan eh. This is a good one.
Tuloy sa bisi.
And by the way, we'd like to thanks to Mr. Michael Denisona for giving us the opportunity na makakain ito. Thank you. Guys, to Michael, thank you.
Thank you, Michael.
Sana all. Sana all. Sana dumami itong mga sponsor.
Traditional. Guys, FYI, pwede po tayong magdala ng mga rice dito sa Jollibee.
Bata, tingnan yung rice cooker.
Rice cooker, ginala namin yung problema. Gago. Uy! Walay puwasa na rin.
Alban niya, Rosan!
Yo, what's up? Ikan Tatran.
So up next is the peach mango pie. So obviously it's mango. Kulang ang budget, that is why hindi kami nakakain pa ng ibang flavor. So this would be better. Next is the burger. Regular yum only. Try my best to eat this one whole, but then, yeah, I'm full. Jollibee French fries, one of the kids' favorite.
Uy, dapat ka na yun. May mo tayo yung comment na yan. Baby one.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, that's it for tonight, and we already finished the food that we already have here. And to those people who are watching until the end of this video, thank you so much for keeping us in touch. And would like to thanks to Mr. Dennis Michael Hona for bringing us Jollibee to Bud and for giving us the opportunity to eat all the soup favorite. So, Madam Boys, Michael Hona.
Gabi Kabusog, the best. Thank you sa sponsor, Sir Michael.
Thank you, sir. Gusto ko kayo hindi na makaya.
Sir, thank you sa sponsor Trao.
And Pidol.
Thank you, Michael.
So as of now, you can see na hindi naubos yung rice namin. It's because wala na. Busog lahat. Alright, so thank you so much. Madam Boys! Thank you! See you for the next vlog.
You